Hi there, my name is Maggie and I'm a product marketer at Team-GPT. Today I'll show you how data science teams can use project knowledge in Team-GPT to optimize their processes. Managing data science projects requires organizing code, methodologies, and research. When working with AI, normally you would need to give the AI the context it needs to generate relevant responses with every single chat. Not anymore. Now you have project knowledge in Team-GPT. With project knowledge, you can centralize your resources, you can add your materials to a project once, and then Team-GPT will keep them in mind for every conversation within that project. You can also improve your AI interactions because the AI automatically references your project's knowledge base, providing more relevant and context-aware responses. And then all team members within a project will have access to the same information, ensuring that everyone stays aligned. To access project knowledge, select a project from your left sidebar in Team-GPT. Once inside the project, click on the Project Knowledge button in the chat input field. First, let's add our project information. I'm pasting our project workflow, core standards, documentation requirements, and so on. I'm going to click on Save. And now I would also like to add a helpful online resource. The data is scraped, and I would also like to add two files, analysis template and model documentation. Now let's see how this helps our AI conversations. I will ask the AI to document the methodology for our customer churn analysis. I'm pasting my prompt. And as you can see, the AI provides detailed analysis based on the context we have provided. This means more consistent analysis and better documentation. And that's project knowledge for data science teams. Thank you for watching.